Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to add two phone numbers to your Gmail account, making your account more secure and recovery friendly. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail and head to the top right corner. Click on the profile icon, then choose Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside your Google account settings, look on the left sidebar and select Personal Info. Now, scroll down until you find the phone section. Click on it to view your current number and options. To add a new number, click Add Now. Google may ask you to verify your identity. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's you. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter your new phone number. Type in the full number, including the country and the area code, then click Next. A verification code will be sent to that number. Enter the code when prompted and click Verify to confirm. Now, to add a second number, just repeat the same steps. Click Add Now again, enter the new number, verify your identity, and confirm with the code. And that's it. You've successfully added two phone numbers with Gmail, giving you better control and security, especially for recovery situations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.